jan. Then 16 jan, excluding me. What happened to others? They are reading. Okay, we'll start chapter 12. Here, chapter 12. Then after that, we'll start chapter 13. I am asking you question. What surface in R3? Audible?
Yes, ma'am.
What surface in R3 are represented by the following equation? The equation is given to you, y is equal to 5. What surface in R3? What type of surface you get in R3? Tell me. Hmm? What type of surface you'll get in R3? Hmm? What I said that y is equal to 5. 5 or 4, whatever it may be. What type of surface you'll get?
Ma'am, y is equal to 5.
Yes, I said that y is equal to 5.
Ma'am, it will be a plane.
Yes, where it lies?
Ma'am, parallel to
Which
ZS
plane?
axis.
Yes,
Plane
parallel
parallel
to
to
z
ZS
axis.
axis.
Yeah, very good. And lie on at y is equal to 5.
5.
Isn't it? Isn't it? This much you have to write down. It is a plane which lie on y is equal to 5, and that plane is y is equal to 5 means it is horizontal plane. Okay? It is your horizontal plane. You see here the plane is must be like this. So if at this point you have a plane, so a plane must be like this. So it is vertical plane. I say horizontal, no? It is vertical. Okay, which is parallel to xz or zx. Okay. Yeah. So if similarly z is equal to 3, First y is equal to 5. I am saying that z is equal to 3.
Ma'am, it is also a plane
Yes.
parallel
Where
to
it is?
y axis
Yes. Parallel to that plane, parallel to. It is a
xyz.
vertical plane. It must be a vertical plane because it is at z is equal to 3 it lies. Okay. Parallel to xy plane. So you have to, so according to your choice, you have to write down your answer. So now, mm, mm, you know, all of you know the distance formula, all of you know the equation of the sphere. So if any question it is given to you, you can write down your equation of the sphere, that is your x square plus y square plus z square is equal, sorry, x square plus y square plus z square plus z square plus 4x plus 4x minus 6y plus 2y, sorry, 2z plus 6 is equal to 0. 2z. Hmm. Find out the radius and center. Find out the radius and center.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question? It's not clearly
It is not
x square
what
plus.
happened, I don't know. It is x square plus y square. So I'm finding that it is clear here. Hmm.
Ma'am, center is -2, 3, 1, and the radius is 2 root 2.
Okay. So again, for someone asked me to that question, so I am writing again the question now here. That is your question is x square plus y square plus z square. What happened? Minus plus 4x minus 6y then plus 2z plus 6 is equal to 0. Someone said that it is your center is your -2, 3, and -1. Is not it? And your radius is 2 root 2, I think. All of you got? All of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, case the point. I don't think you'll get that type of question. Mm, So what is your assignment question? Already I discussed that assignment question. 12.1.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this one.
Already I discussed. Tell me the question number. Assignment question number.
Ma'am, 10, 17, 25, 41, and 35.
Assignment.
Yes.
Find the distance. I think I have distance to the xy plane. Distance came question number 10. Question number 10, find the distance from the point 3, 7, minus 5.
Ma'am, can you repeat point?
So, yes, I'm writing here. 3, 7, minus 5 to the xy plane. To the xy plane. XY plane z is equal to 0. So the points are 3, 7, 0. So what is the value you get? What is the value you get? That is square minus 5 square. It is your positive root of
Root 74.
To the xy plane. Distance from this to the xy plane. The point on the xy plane is our xy plane z is 0. So it is 370. Okay. So distance d is equal to root over of 3 minus 3 square, 7 minus 7 square. Then it is your 0 minus 5. So 0 plus 5 square. So we get it is 5 or not? Immediate start question, multiple choice. Clear? All of it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, find out yz plane, zx plane. Find out your answer.
YZ 3, ZX 7.
Okay. Acha, x-axis, only on the x-axis. Only on the x-axis.
Root 74.
Yes.
74.
Similarly, y-axis you can find out, and z-axis. Y-axis and z-axis you can find out.
Yes, ma'am. Root 34.
Root 34, na?
Yes, ma'am. Root 34. From y axis.
Yes. Z-axis is your root.
58.
Yes. Acha. Already I discussed the center and radius, how you find out. It is not necessary to solve that question number 17. I think I had already discussed. Then after 17, which number? 17 for a?
25. 25.
35.
25.
25. Describe in what the region of R3 represented by the equation or inequalities y is less than 8. Y is less than 8. Write down in your word. So it may be the word that is written maybe in multiple choice. So what you write down here?
Ma'am, one side of plane containing the origin.
containing the origin. Y is it is your x, it is y is less than 8. Huh? So it is the y is less than 8 means the plane here it is lies left hand side of the y. Is not it? All the plane. What do you say? That means xy plane, sorry, xz plane. That lies where? We are writing always y is equal to 8. Y writing that z is equal to 3 already solved. But it is written that y is less than 8. So plane lies where? On the left hand side from this point. It is your left hand side, it is right hand side.
Yes, ma'am.
At each point here, the plane lies. Okay, so
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is parallel to which is parallel to
Y Z
eh, xz na?
X Z
This
X Z.
is okay. So in your language, it may be written. So then after 25, then after 25,
35.
what number? Huh?
35.
So same. The region between YZ plane and the vertical plane x is equal to pi. Same type. Write inequalities to describe the region. The region between YZ plane, this one, YZ plane and the vertical plane x is equal to pi. So write down the region. Here x is equal to pi. You have the plane. So here the region between YZ plane and x is equal to 5. So the region is your this portion. What is that now? YZ plane. This here your YZ plane. This is your here the and x is equal to 5. From here to YZ plane. So what we write down?
Ma'am, X is from 0 to 5.
0 to yes, very good. It is x is from 0 to 5. So I think this is the question answer. It is suitable answer to write down. So immediate. So then after that
41.
अच्छा, what वाला से 41 हम find an equation of the set of all points. Oh, set of all points. I think I have done this question from the point A. It is given -1, 5, 3. I'm going to omit. I have done this question. निश्चय करती है क्लास. Important question. 41. Find an equation of the set of all points. Equidistance from the point. Set of all points equidistance from the point. The point it is -1, 5, 3, and B is here. It is 6, 2, -2. Describe the set. What do you do here? Equidistance from A and equidistance from B. The set of all points you have to find out. Do it. The answer is in your book. Do it and tell me. Already done. What you will do? Can anybody say what we will do?
Ma'am, we have to equate the equation. Let point be x, y, z and find
Yes.
the distance A,
Between
B
A
and
to and B, equate these two. Is not it? From that point X, Y, Z, you have to find out the distance to A and to B. That means if you say that is the point is C, then you have to find out CA and CB. And down here is equal, then equal because it is equidistance. Written as equidistance. So what is your answer? Solve and tell me what is your answer.
14x minus 6y minus 10z equals to 9.
14x minus 6y minus 10z is equal to 9. Yes. All of you have done? Only you answering.
Yes, ma'am. Got.
After that, 41. Is there any assignment question? Is there any assignment question?
No, ma'am.
Acha. Component. If two vectors are parallel, then one is the scalar multiple of other. You may get that type of question. Acha. Length of two-dimensional vector having the component that is a1, a2, so you know it is root over of absolute value of a, that is root over of a1 square plus a2 square according to the component. If vector A is given, vector B is given, you can find out absolute value of a plus b, a minus b, that you can do yourself easily. Unit vector, you know how to find out. If the vector is given, how to find out the unit vector, that may get question.
That vector by modulus.
Yes. So what is the assignment question here? Assignment question here. 12.2. 12.2 is easy, I think. Assignment question 15, 21, 5, 26, 28, 30. I think
Yes, ma'am.
5 you can do yourself. Then it is your to do the figure, so I don't think you'll get that type of question. But you try yourself, it is you can do yourself. 15. Question number 15. 15, yes. Find the sum of the given vector and illustrate geometrically. I don't think you'll get illustrate geometrically, but I already discussed that part. I think so. Sum you can find out. Sum of these two vectors. 15 is over 21. That also you can do. 21 also. 26. Find a vector that has the same direction. Find 26. Find a vector that has the same direction as the given vector. Sorry, so as your minus 2, 4, 2. But this length has length 6. Important question. Find a vector that has the same direction as minus 2, 4, 2, but has length 6. What will do? What you will do? कौन करे पहले?
Unit vector. Oh,
First you
you
find
first
out
find.
unit vector, then you multiply with 6. That vector is in that direction and having the length 6. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 28. 28 for What is the angle between the given vector in the positive direction of you do it 8I6J. Don't do it yourself. Angle.
Tan inverse 3/4.
Angle between these two vectors.
Ma'am, 36.9.
Yes, you have to find out that value. So that's why I'm saying some answer 10 inverse 3/50. Some yes, 10 inverse it is your 3/4. You have to find out the value. Okay, you get that value in a question. So question number 30. If a child pull a slate is a G1, it is done. Question number 30, you can do.
Question number 28 is angle between vector with positive x-axis.
So positive x-axis कितना है? What you got?
36.86.
Huh?
36.86 degree.
So someone said 39 point.
And then you told the angle between two vectors, but the question is with positive x-axis.
Positive x-axis 39 positive only.
I mean positive axis, then we have to take cos theta. Na? Cos theta is equal to a mod by ax by a mod.
A cos theta is equal to a dot b by g, but why not tan theta?
And
I'm
both
asking
can
you.
apply.
Why not tan theta? I'm asking you.
I don't know. So
Huh?
I am using cos theta only.
You know, but this article it is you are not using that cos theta. I'm not saying to you the that is your dot product. It is your 12.2. So how you solve? Tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
So in exam you can do anyway. So why different answer you both of you get? That's I'm saying. It is your say it is 8 I k plus 6 j k. Right? So here tan theta, this point, here theta. Same thing, no? So it is your cos theta root 3, it is your sorry root 3. Question. The question is your tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So what do you write down? How about the tan theta is equal to what do you write down? What is this value? It is 8 I cap 6 J cap. What is this value? What is this value? Is that it? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
I can write down. So tan theta is equal to, you know, y by x. Is not it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's coming 36.86 degree.
Someone said that 39. Yeah, I heard. No.
Ma'am, 36.9.
Okay. So see the answer. What is given? After that, your question number 30. You can do 30. It is easy one. Only the formula. Then 12.3 dot product. Now we come to the dot product. Now you can do your problem. It is not mentioned to do by this way, by this way. You can do a cos theta, a dot b, absolute value of a, absolute value of b. Though it is given as positive side of this, you can do the figure like this and you can put the value, and tan theta also you can use. Why not? Dot product. A dot b you can do, a dot b is equal to a b cos theta that you know. That you know, direction angle and direction cosine that also you know. A dot b is equal to 0. They are orthogonal to each other. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So projection. You must get one question from that projection, then your A. It is 1, 2, 3. Direction angle of the vector A. It is 1, 2, 3. Direction angle cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Tell me. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. There we are. Cos alpha is equal to
1 by root 14
yes.
equal to 75 degree.
And cos beta is equal to 2 by
8 degree.
root
Or
13.
2 by root 15.
And cos
Beta equals to
gamma, sorry, it is gamma. I've written alpha, it is gamma. Is equal to 3 by root 14. Okay. So you can find out the angle alpha is equal to how much, and beta is equal to how much, and gamma is equal to how much. 74 की ओर कहला ना. Alpha,
75.
beta, gamma.
Alpha gets 75, beta 858, and gamma 37.
I got alpha 74. You are getting 75.
Yes. 74.49.
So you cannot say 70.4 is 75. You say it is 74. Okay. Now, what is your assignment question here? Work done. You know, assignment question we discuss. 10, 17, 24, 26, 27, 29, 30. Yes. Question number 10. Absolute value of A is equal to 3. Absolute value of B is equal to 6. The angle between A and B is 45 degree. Oh, yes, you can do it yourself. Then 17. Find the angle between the vector. Hmm. Find an exact expression, then approximate to the nearest degree. Acha, ठीक है. 17. You are able to do 3 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, 5. It is your A. Minus 2, 4, 3. Do it. Hmm. What is the angle? You are doing or not? Okay. Question number 26 and do it yourself. Twenty-six. That is given to you as assignment. Find the value of x. You have to find out the value of x such that the angle between two vectors, the vector is your, the angle between two vectors, it is your 2, 1, minus 1, and 1 x 0 is 45 degree. Find the value of x. Do it. Do it yourself. Try yourself, then I'll do. I think I have not done this problem inside the class. I've done. You are able to do? Hmm? Kaushik, all of you are able to do or not?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay. What is the answer? Tell me. The value of x. Twenty-six, 27, 29, 38. What is the value of x? Papa, it right
Ma'am,
here. Yes.
two values are coming.
Huh?
One plus minus root 6 by 2.
Yes, root 6 by. Yes, very good. So all of you know how to solve this problem? First one consider as the vector A, second one consider as the vector B. Cos theta is equal to A dot B divided by absolute value of A, absolute value of B. So what is the absolute value of A you get?
Root 6.
Can I do or you are able to do this one? I'm asking to you all. Can anybody say? Otherwise, I'll leave. Huh? Is it necessary to solve? Is it necessary? No one saying root 6. Absolute value of B is equal to your 1 plus x square root over then cos 45 degree is equal to degree 45 degree is equal to your A dot B is your 2 plus x divided by root 6 into is equal to 1 by root 2. Okay. Then you simplify. You have a quadratic equation. From that, you find out the value of x. Okay. Next question is your 24. Whether it is parallel or not, then 24. You may get this type of question. 26 for 24 for 24. 24 you are able to do? Abba,
Now, what is the
you are
question?
able to, That is whether it is parallel or orthogonal. Parallel means one is the scalar multiple of other. Orthogonal means the dot product is equal to 0. I'm writing one question, 24. That a vector u is equal to, it is written as minus 396. Vector v is equal to, sorry, it is equal to 4 minus 12 minus 8. Minus 8. They are parallel. They are parallel. One is the scalar multiple of other. No. Is it? I'm asking you. They are parallel.
Yes, ma'am, parallel.
How?
No, ma'am.
First one is the first I'm saying that it is not. How can you say it is parallel? First component. Minus 3, here it is 4. They are parallel. Are you getting?
Ma'am, they are proportional with minus 4 by 3.
Huh? Scalar multiple of minus 4 by 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Each one. Okay. I'm multiplying here it is. Minus 3. What will I say? Yes. Whatever it is. What's the question? Minus 3, 9, 6. Yes, 4 minus 12 minus 8. You say that multiply here minus 3. Minus 4 by 3.
Minus 4 by 3. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Minus 3 it is, I'm getting first one. 9 into minus 4 by 3. Yes, I'm getting the second one. Okay. 6 into, yes, it is the parallel. Yes, it is parallel. So now, chapter 24 wala, then 29. Find the acute angle between the line. Find the acute angle between the line 2x minus y equal to 3, 3x plus y equal to 7. I think I will discuss on this. Mistake or the important one. I must discuss this one. What will you do? Can anybody say the answer? It is question number 29. Answer is in your book. Acute angle between these two lines. You are doing? So we know that the angle between these two lines, that is your say formula AX1 BY1, sorry A1 A1X B1Y plus C1 is equal to 0, and the another line it is your A2X plus B2Y plus C2 equal to 0. So that is the angle between equal to the angle between the two perpendicular line to them. So the perpendicular to vector is your N1 is, we can say it is equal to A1 B1, and N2 is equal to A2 B2. So what is the value N1 here and N2? Cos theta is equal to, you know, cos theta is equal to N1 dot 2 vector. N1 dot N2 divided by absolute value of N1. Find out.
Ma'am, pi by 4.
Yes, pi by N2. See your multiple choice. It is pi by 4 or it is your 45 degree. See, huh? It may be written not like that. It is written this is plus, this is minus also. So according to that, you have to find out your answer. They may be change your question. So it is your, the procedure is this one, like this, you have to find out. The theta is equal to this inverse. Okay. So N1 is A1, so it is our N1 is equal to here. It is 2 minus 1. N2 is equal to 3, 1. So according to your question, you see what we are getting N1 and N2. So then question number 29 after that. 29 for a 38. 38 for a projection. If a vector is direction angle of beta, find the third direction angle. You can do 38. If a vector has direction angle, alpha is equal to pi by 4, beta is equal to pi by 3. Find the third direction angle gamma. All of you are able to do? Able to do or not?
Yes, ma'am.
You know your formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So by using that formula, you can solve.
Ma'am,
So it
60
is what?
degree.
Huh?
60 degree.
Yes. What is your question number? 38, no answer. So you check. All of you got the same answer?
I'm 60 degree.
It is coming 60 degree. Check your answer. Formula is already told to you, that is your cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. By using that formula, you can find out the answer.
Ma'am, two values are coming, 60 degree and 120 degree.
Yes, it is. What is given here? It is pi by 4, pi by 3. Positive x-axis is not. So you write down to answer what is given in your multiple choice according to that.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not given here যে acute angle দেখেন 38. Find a vector's direction alpha. No, it is not mentioned the positive projection, you know. So this article is of 12.4 cross product. So cross product A cross B absolute value area
Parallelogram.
yes.
Program.
If the A cross B is orthogonal to both, orthogonal to A cross B is orthogonal to both A and B.
A and
A
B.
and B.
Okay. So if two vector it is given, find out the orthogonal vector. You can find out. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
The question, if it is given two vector, unit vector, it is given to you. Find out the orthogonal to this vector. You can find out unit vector. Find out a unit vector which is orthogonal to these two vectors. What will do?
Then we will
What will
find
do?
cross product. And
First,
then we
find
will find cross
first
product.
after getting, then
And
you
then
have to
divide
find
with
out the
negative.
unit vector. Okay, very good. Acha. Area of the triangle. If 2 point it is given to you, area of the triangle.
R into A cross B.
Yes. A cross B, A is vectors of a distance between PQ and PQ and PR. Two adjacent point line. Achha. What you say about that? A dot B cross C.
Volume of parallelopipes.
Scalar triple product is your volume of the parallel. You say volume of the parallel by someone say na? Kiss me kalina.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So you can find out A dot B cross C torque. So what is the formula for the torque? Torque,
R vector cross F vector.
yes. R vector cross A vector force, position vector cross force vector. So absolute value you can find out. Achha, A cross B is equal to like your A dot B.
AB sine theta and cap.
Yes. So what is your assignment question here? Tell me what you'll do. I'm not asking you the answer. Find a non-zero vector which is orthogonal to the plane through the point PQR. The point P is it is given 1, 0, 1. Q it is given as -2, 1, 3. And R is it is given as your 4, 2, 5. What will do? I'll only explain you what will do. Orthogonal vector.
Ma'am, first we find PQ vector.
Yes.
then PR
Then,
vector,
very good.
then do cross product.
Yes. Then you find out the cross product. So after getting the cross product, the question is asking about the next point is to find out the area of the rectangle. Sorry, area of the triangle. So take the absolute value divided by 2. That is your area of the triangle. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is your 39. 39 in the bicycle it is simple the formula. Already done, I think, this question. 39, 43. If a dot b is equal to root 3, khali just to tell me 43. A dot b is equal to root 3. A cross b is equal to 1, 2, 2. Find the angle between A and B. Go for that. Find the angle between A and B. What do I do?
And 60 degree.
AB cos theta equal root 3.
Okay. Then 43 and 48. What is 48? 48, I think I had already done. It is A plus B plus C equal to 0. A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A. Is not it? 43. Mr. 48. It is done or not? A plus B plus C equal to 0. A cross B is equal to B plus C, C plus A. How you solve? So that. How you solve? Multiply that A plus
A
B.
plus B equals to minus C. Take the C that opposite side.
You
Then we
multiply here, it is your cross product with A on the equation. What you get? A cross A, B cross A, C cross A. Is not it? If you multiply with that, it is easy to solve. So I am not writing here vector. All are vector. Multiple choice function. So it is A cross A, B cross A, plus then C cross A. So what you get? It is your B cross A. Then we get this implies minus, this is 0. This is minus A cross B is equal to minus C cross A. So this two cancel out, I'm getting this two. Similarly, if you multiply B, then you'll get other two like this. You can find out. This is the way. I have not discussed this question. So now I'm giving you 5 minutes break, then after that we'll discuss. So 49, 14.4, 5, 6. Okay. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes break. Clear or not this question? Huh? You are clear or not?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So similarly, you multiply here, I multiply A, then you can multiply B, you can multiply C, then you get all the result. That question you will discuss. Let's start. Parametric equation of the line. Symmetric. You are able to write down?
Yes.
What is the equation of the line segment passes through the 2 point? Tell me. Passes through 2 point. What is the equation? R0, R1.
Ma'am, R0 plus
Ma'am, R
lambda
vector
times.
equal
What you are
to ma'am,
saying?
R vector equal R0 vector plus
Yes. Plus
R0 vector plus lambda R0 vector minus R1 vector.
lambda. Oh, you are saying the parameter you are considering is lambda, or you say T?
Yes, ma'am. T.
Yes. And skew lines. When you have skew lines,
When if they are not parallel and not intersecting.
very good. So if two line it is given to you, you consider two parameter, then you solve and check that whether they are parallel or not. If they are parallel, then you check that for their intersection. Now, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane.
M vector dot R vector minus R naught vector equals 0.
Yes, that is also you can write down a into x minus x0 plus b into y minus y0 plus c into z minus z0 is equal to 0. Or you can write down ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Here we can say that x0, y0, z0 as the point. And ABC is the normal to the plane. The component of the normal to the plane. Then to plane it is given to you. How to find out your angle?
Angle between normal.
Angle between, so if two planes given, so then you can find out the component of the normal. Then it is in between these two, then you can find out the. So, find positive. Find the point at which the line with parametric equation. With equation x is equal to find the point. Find the point at which the line with the parametric equation x is equal to 2 plus t, y is equal to minus 4t, and z is equal to I plus t intersect the plane intersect the plane 4x plus 5y minus 2z is equal to 18. What you'll do? I'm just asking what you'll do here.
Ma'am, we will put the value of x, y, z from line to that plane equation,
Yes. Then you find
and
out
then
the
we will
value of
solve
t.
for t value.
Value of t.
Yes, ma'am.
And after getting the value of t, then you put here x, y, z, and that is the point. Isn't that it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the value of t not necessary to solve. We discuss. Symmetric equation, you know. Distance. Find the distance between the parallel plane 10x. Find the distance between the parallel plane 10x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 5. 5x plus y minus z is equal to 1. These two parallel plane. One is the scalar multiple of others. Find the distance between the parallel plane, these two. What is your formula? D is equal to, what is your formula?
x1 by1 cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square root of.
Yes. Hmm. The component of the normal vector, it is your 10, 2, minus 2, and it is your 5, 1, minus 1. Distance d from the plane. We choose any point on one plane. Isn't that it?
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
we have to find out the distance from these 2 points. So any point one plane. So you can do it now by using that, your example. The formula, assignment question. (23, 24, 55, 59). Find a plane through the point and perpendicular to the vector S. You can write down 23. Then you can do 23, then 24. 24 is also same. Find the plane through the point this, and with normal vector it is given. Okay. 23, 24 you can do. Then it is your 55, 59. 55. Find the parametric equation for the line intersection of the plane S and angle between these two planes. 55 also 55. Determine whether the planes are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. If neither, find the angle between them. 54. 55. X is equal to x is equal to 4y minus 2z. 8y is equal to 1 plus 2x plus 4z. Determine whether the planes are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. If neither, find the angle between them.
Parallel.
Which is your 2. Yes, it is parallel. सरिया तापर 55 पर 59. Find symmetric equation for the line of intersection of the point planes. Symmetric equation for the line of intersection of the plane. 59. 59. That is the question. What you'll do here? Only to explain me. Type x minus 2y. It is one example is in your book. Isn't it? One example is there. What will you do? Symmetric equation for the line of plane.
Now we take the normal vector of two. We take the normal vector of two planes and find the n1 and 2.
Yes, and then cross product. Yes, that you consider as the vector V.
Yes, ma'am. That.
And from line passes through the one point that is your on the x-axis by cutting at the point, then you write down the equation of the symmetric line. Is not it? Already done. That is your one example. Same as that example. I have not remembered the example number, but it is completely same as that example. It is example 10 from example 6. So that the line. Example 7. 12.6. If any question it is given to what type of surface it is, or it is given to you what type of, see the question, it is given to you what type of figure in R2 or R3. R2 is your plane, R3 is your surface. According to that, you have to write down. 12.6. The main thing is here that one. The question maybe it is given to z is equal to y square minus x square. What type of surface it is? It is your hyperbolic paraboloid. So you're considering each one as constant, what type of surface you are getting, and according to that you have to write down whether it is ellipsoid or whether it is hyperbolic paraboloid or it is parabolic hyperboloid, like that. You get only that type of one, you will not get to do the figure here. Here only one question that is important, so one question for question number 41. Already done. Question number 41, it is already done. I'm asking you question number 41, it is done or not? Yes, it is done. It is given as the last one problem. Yes, it is given as class 1, so it is already done. So we see the question, what type of surface you are getting. It is R2 given or R3 given, according to that you have to write down. I'm asking you one question here. If the question it is given that identify the surface, it is given to you y square plus z square is equal to 1. is equal to 1. Y square plus z square is equal to 1. What type of surface it is? Can you say?
Cylinder. Circular cylinder.
Yes, you have to say like this, circular cylinder. And if the question is multiple choice, it is parallel to the ruling lines or parallel to, it is given to you like that. According to that, you have to write down. Which one is missing here? X-axis is missing. So it is a ruling line must parallel to X-axis. And circular cylinder, it is a vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal.
It is horizontal. Horizontal and ruling line parallel. Achha. Your how to contact has ruling line parallel. The plane is parallel to
YZ axis. YZ plane.
yes, YZ plane, not YZ axis. Okay. So it is over. Now come to the chapter 30. Now chapter 13, 13.1. Find the vector equation and parametric equation of the line segment join these two points. You can do it. You have 2-point formula, you know. That is R0 plus R1 minus R0 whole into T. And where to where T lies here? If you write down this formula, 2-point formula, where to where T lies? That is the main point.
0 to 1.
Yes. 0 to 1. T is our parameter, it is lies in 0 to 1. So it is 13.1. Domain. Find the domain of the vector function at t is equal to root over of 4 minus t square. I'm writing here. At t is equal to 4 minus t square e to the power minus 3t ln t plus 1. Find out the domain.
Ma'am, open -1 to close to.
Open -1 and -1 to close interval 2. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the limit, you can do it. Here it is nothing. Hold on, see the assignment question. Three, 7, 18, 30, 40. Question number 3. So that you can do yourself. 7. Here's the curve. I think I already discussed this part. Give a vector equation indicated with an arrow. The indication is with t increases. At t is equal to sin t t. Here's the curve. You do yourself. That's question number 7. 18. Find a vector equation and parametric equation for the line segment join P and Q. You can do by using your 2-point formula. You can find out your vector equation and parametric equation. Yeah, you can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then after that, question number 30. At what point does the helix intersect the sphere? At what point does the helix at t is equal to at t is equal to sin t cos t, t helix equation is your sin t cos t, t intersect the sphere. What will do? What will do? At what point? What will do here?
We will put a sin t,
Yeah.
cos t, and t at the place of x, y, and z.
Yes, very good. Then
Then we will solve for t.
yes, solve for t. After getting the value of t, then your point is at t is equal to put the value of t and get the result. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after say 40. The cylinder x square plus y square is equal to 0 and the surface z is equal to x. So find the vector function that represent the curve of intersection of two surfaces. The cylinder x square plus y square, question number 14. Cylinder x square plus y square is equal to 4 and the surface z is equal to xy. Find a vector function. Intersection of two surfaces.
Ma'am, one is cylinder, other one is
X square plus y square is 4 and the surface z is equal to xy.
Ma'am, we will consider x equal to 2 sin t
Yes.
and y equal to 2 cos t.
Yes. Good.
And then we will put this value in z.
Yes. Vector function it is your rt is equal to. You can find out your rt. Find a vector
Yes,
function.
ma'am.
The question is asking.
Ma'am, rt
two
equals
sin
to
t, 2 cos
2 sin t,
2 t.
2 cos t, and 4 sin t cos t.
Yes. 2 sin t, 4 sin t cos t. That I can write on 2 sin 2t.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 13.2.
Ma'am, number 40, once again, from the beginning.
Once again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
X square plus y square is equal to 4. So what you consider for the value of x? Then we will get our radius is 4. R is equal to 4. R square is equal to R is equal to 2. So your x is equal to, in terms of parameters, you can write down 2 cos t r cos t, that is your 2 cos t. Y is equal to 2 sin t. Okay. Then z is equal to, it is your 2 sin 2t. I can write down. So what you write down for the RT? Hmm? What you write down for the RT in terms of this parameter? 2 cos t I kept, 2 sin t j kept, then 2 sin 2t k kept.
2t k cap.
Yes, that I can write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
13.2, 13.2 derivative. All of you know, to find out you are getting your unit tangent vector formula.
Then r vector dash t
Yes,
divided by magnitude.
then absolute value of r dash t, isn't it? Divided by.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the point it is given, then you have to find out at that point and get the result and write down. See the multiple choice. At t is equal to find r dash t. See example. See all the example. Assignment is your 3, 20, 25, 44. Okay. 3, 20, 25, 44. Question number 3. Here the plane case the shadow. Find rds t, you can find out rds t. Here the position vector rt and the tangent vector rds t for the given value of t. T is equal to -1. So you can find out your point for the position rt. Then after getting that rt, you find out rds t at that point. And scale question. Okay, you can do it. Question number 3 already done, I think. Then 20. Find the unit tangent vector tt at the point with the given vector of the parameter. So after it is given to you, t is given to you 5/4. You can find out your unit tangent vector tt. Able to find out?
Yes, ma'am.
Rt given
Yes, ma'am.
and t is given. You find out r dash t at that point t. Then unit vector is r dash t divided by absolute value of r dash t. That is your answer. So 20 wala 25. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve with the given parametric equation at the specified point. Find parametric equation for the tangent line. Parametric equation for the tangent line. That is 25. X is equal to e to the power minus t cos t. Y is equal to e to the power minus t sin t. Z is equal to e to the power minus t. At the point it is 1, 0, 1. Find parametric equation for the tangent line to the curve with given parametric equation and the specified point. Do it. Answer is in your book, so do it and tell me the answer. It is your 13.2, question number 25. Hmm. What is the value of t here, you get?
0.
0.
How?
Ma'am, because z equal 1. So e to the power 0 equal 1.
Z is equal to, because Z is equal to 1, it was 0 is equal to 1. That's why it says that t is equal to 0. Like this, take ln both the side. E to the power minus t is equal to 1. Take ln both the side. What do you get? Minus t is equal to ln 1. Ln 1 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 0. Don't do like this. Or you can check each point, which one is satisfying all that game. To get 1, to get 0, to get 1. For what value of t, each one satisfying. You can check that. What value of t it is, that is trial and error. Or otherwise you can do by z is equal to like this. So what is the point you get here? It is now xyz point. Kitela, point kitela, t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 is your cos 0, it is 1. Then it is y is equal to 0. Then z is equal to 1. So 1, 0, 1. So the point is 0. T is equal to z1. So now after getting the address t, address t,
Ma'am, minus 1
Ma'am,
is
what is
1
that?
minus 1.
so but after getting the address t, what is your parametric equation?
X is equal to 1 minus t, y is equal to t, z is equal to 1 minus t.
Yes, very good. So then after 30, what is that number? Original? 25, 44. 44 niche go. Prove this formula. Already I have done one formula, so you do this one. I'm going to call it with explain quickly. 44, prove that. Then 14.3, 13.3, sorry. 13.3 length. The formula for the curvature. The curvature or length. Nischay question is. Curvature of the curve. So how many formula you have curvature of the curve? Tell me. How many? Huh? Curvature of the curve. Kappa. That is equal to T dash T by R dash T, absolute value of T dash T, absolute value of R dash T, one formula. But using the vector function, write down the curvature. Which one is the correct answer? If you have, so tell me, curvature of the curve by using the vector function.
Absolute value of R dash T cross R double dash T
Yes.
divided by absolute value of R dash T whole cube.
By using the parametric. Parametric.
Ma'am, X dash Y double dash
Don't say
minus
this.
Y dash.
In your book, X dot. I already explained to you that part. X dot Y double dot minus Y dot X double dot. Isn't it? I never said this because we are differentiating with respect to T. In your book, it is written as dot. Dx by dt, it is written as X dot. Dy by dt, it is written as in your book Y dot. Clear? So X double dot is your T square X by dt square, that is your X double dot. So in your exam, the multiple choice may be not in this. It may be in dot because your book explained like that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear all of you? So you say it is your X dot Y double dot minus Y dot X double dot, then that is the, it is absolute value or only simply? It is your absolute value X dot Y double dot minus Y dot X double dot, absolute value of that or simple?
Ma'am, simple.
Absolute value divided by
X dot square plus Y dot square to power 3 by 2.
whole to the power 3 by 2. You say 3 by 2?
3 by 2 power.
No, power 3 by 2. X dot square plus Y dot square whole 3 by 2.
Yes.
Okay? Special function. If Y is the function of X, special case. So what is your formula? That is important one. What is your formula? Why is the function?
Ma'am,
Yes.
F double dash X absolute value divided
Yes,
by
hmm.
1 plus F dash X whole square
Yes.
to
Then
the power 3 by 2.
3 by 2, not 2 by 3.
Ma'am, 3 by 2.
1 plus this value whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay? So by using this formula, you can do your problems. Then, yes. What is unit normal vector? Formula.
Ma'am, T dash T by mod of T dash.
Yes. So, which vector is normal to the osculating plane? Why I'm asking? So by the help of that, you can do your problem to find. Yes, which vector is normal to the osculating plane?
Binormal vector.
Very good. So if you get the component of the binormal vector and the point it is given to you, you can find out the equation of the oscillating plane, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, which vector is normal to the normal plane?
Tangent vector.
The binormal vector is equal to
Tangent vector cross normal vector.
very good. That is also unit normal. Very good. So you may get here question that find out the equation of the that question. A normal plane or osculating plane. So eliminate that all scalar. I already told you. Eliminate that all scalar and solve. It is easy to you to solve. You see here, normal vector is our t dash t by absolute value of t dash t. Absolute value of t dash t is a scalar quantity. Isn't it? So we can eliminate that
Yes.
because it is the scalar multiple of t dash t. Isn't it? So we can take only the component of t dash t as the component of the normal vector to the normal vector component तो किसी दरकार पड़ने बदे normal vector is like so here you can add any value that is your sorry your tangent vector t dash t tt r dash t divided by absolute value of r dash t. So you can take the component of r dash t because absolute value of r dash t is the scalar, that is your scalar value. You can exclude. Just short time period you have, so that's why I'm explaining this part. According to that, you do your plane. The question may be given to you, find out the equation of the normal plane, find out the equation of the tangent. May be given to you like that. I already told you how to solve easily. Exclude your scalar value function. Okay. So now here, normal plane, excluding plane is over. And it is your the assignment questions are so many questions here. 4, 17, 21, 43, 50, 52. Among all these, we have any more time. So among all these, we have any doubt? You have doubt? Four, 17, 21, 43. See all that question, huh? I have to check. See that question. 13.4 is very easy one. That is your velocity, acceleration, and force. Mass into acceleration. I think very cheap, na? Distance. How to find out the value of distance? We have formula. You have to remember that formula. And tangential and normal component. Direct question will get here. Okay. So do it. Any doubt here? 4 minutes left. You can ask me. એટલે કોને ડાઉટ ଅଛି કે પચારો? Any doubt here? 13.3 and 4. 4 तो सहज. 3. 4 in 4, you see that projectile problems. Will not get direct question. Find out the velocity, find out the acceleration, like that. Will not get. Mind it. You must get that projectile problem. See that problem. And 14.3, you have any doubt? 43. Any doubt? 13.3. What happened? Hmm? 53. Let me see what is 53. Already discussed that 53. Find the equation of the normal plane, oscillating plane. It is already done. What point? X is equal to 2 and find out the meaning of P. Is also done. 53 you can do. 43. Formula of the curvature. Parametric formula. And 21. 21 formula. Curvature formula. 21. 17. You can do. Then question number 4. Again. So, this is all the best. I'm going to stop now. Already discussed. Yes.
Ma'am, syllabus is up to 14.2 or 14.3.
14.2.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Reach up to 14.2. So I discuss up to 14.2. Last class we discussed about that 14.1 and 14.2. Today we discuss 12 and 13. It is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to start.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you to you all.